Vetch. Key features and information. Botanical name. Vicia is a genus in the Fabaceae legume family, commonly known as vetch. There are many species within the Vicia genus, including Vicia sativa, common vetch, Vicia villosa, hairy vetch, and Vicia faba bean or broad bean, among others. Habitat. Vetch species are widely distributed across temperate regions of the world, including Europe, Asia, and North America. They grow in a variety of habitats from open fields and grasslands to roadsides and disturbed soils. Vetch is often found in regions with well-drained soils and moderate climates. It thrives in both agricultural areas and natural landscapes, and it is commonly used in crop rotations as a cover crop. Leaves. Vetch plants have compound leaves that are typically pinnate, meaning they are divided into smaller leaflets arranged along a central stem. Shape and texture. The leaves are narrow and elongated with a smooth texture. Some species of vetch, like Vicia villosa, have leaflets that are slightly hairy. Color. Vetch leaves are usually a vibrant green, although the color may vary slightly depending on the species and growing conditions. Leaflets. The leaflets are often arranged in pairs with a tendril at the tip of the leaf to help the plant climb and support itself on surrounding vegetation. Flowers. Vetch flowers are small, pea-like blooms that grow in clusters. Colors. The flowers typically range from purple to blue, although some species may have white or pink flowers. The flowers are often accented with darker streaks or markings. Structure. The flowers are bilaterally symmetrical and consist of 5 petals, characteristic of the pea family. The central banner petal is often larger, with 2 lateral petals and 2 smaller bottom petals forming the wings. Blooming time. Vetch typically blooms in the late spring to early summer, although the exact timing depends on the species and environmental conditions. Adaptations. Climbing and spreading. Vetch is a climbing plant, and it uses tendrils to cling to other plants or structures, allowing it to grow vertically or spread across the ground. This climbing ability helps the plant compete for sunlight in crowded environments. Nitrogen fixation. Like other legumes, vetch has the unique ability to fix nitrogen from the air into the soil through a symbiotic relationship with bacteria in its root nodules. This process helps enrich the soil and improve soil fertility, making vetch a valuable cover crop in agricultural systems. Drought tolerance. Vetch is moderately drought tolerant and can thrive in a variety of soil conditions, though it prefers well-drained soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Cultural symbolism. Vetch does not have as many widespread symbolic meanings as some other plants, but it is often associated with agricultural practices and is used as a symbol of soil health and sustainability due to its role in nitrogen fixation. Symbol of fertility. In some cultures, vetch is connected to fertility and growth, owing to its ability to improve soil quality and contribute to successful crop production. Uses. 1. Agricultural use. Cover crop. Vetch is commonly used as a cover crop or green manure, particularly in organic farming. Its nitrogen-fixing ability helps improve soil health, making it a valuable addition to crop rotation systems. It is often planted in fields to enrich the soil with nutrients before planting other crops. Forage crop. Some species of vetch, such as Vicia sativa, are grown as forage for livestock as the young plants are high in protein and nutrition. Erosion control. Due to its ability to form dense mats of foliage, vetch is sometimes used for soil erosion control, especially on slopes or areas with exposed soil. 2. Medicinal use. Some species of vetch have been used in traditional herbal medicine for their potential health benefits. For example, Vicia sativa has been used in folk remedies for conditions like respiratory problems, digestive disorders, and skin issues. However, more scientific research is needed to validate these uses. Vetch is sometimes believed to have mild diuretic properties, though its medicinal applications are less common compared to other plants in the legume family. 3. Food use. Edible seed. The seeds of some vetch species, particularly Vicia faba, broad beans, are edible and are commonly consumed by humans. While common vetch, Vicia sativa, seeds are also edible, they should be consumed cautiously as they may contain toxic compounds in large quantities. Broad beans, or faba beans, are an important food crop in many parts of the world and are used in a variety of dishes, ranging from soups to stews. 4. Wildlife support. Vetch is an important plant for wildlife, particularly for pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are attracted to its flowers. Its foliage and seeds also provide food for birds and small mammals. As a legume, vetch is rich in protein, making it a valuable resource for many species. Ecological importance. Soil health. Vetch plays a crucial role in maintaining soil health due to its nitrogen-fixing capabilities. By enriching the soil with nitrogen, vetch helps support the growth of other plants, improving overall biodiversity. Wildlife habitat. Vetch plants provide shelter for small wildlife and attract beneficial insects, such as pollinators and predatory insects, which help control pests. Care and maintenance. Planting. Vetch is easy to grow from seeds and prefers well-drained, fertile soil. It should be planted in a location with full sun to light shade. Watering. While vetch is drought-tolerant, it benefits from regular watering, especially during its growing period. Overwatering should be avoided to prevent root rot. Fertilizing. Vetch does not typically require additional fertilizer due to its nitrogen-fixing abilities. In fact, adding too much nitrogen fertilizer can inhibit its growth. Pruning. Vetch is a low-maintenance plant that does not require much pruning, but trimming back its growth after flowering can help control its spread. Invasive nature. Some species of vetch, particularly Vicia villosa, hairy vetch, can become invasive in certain regions, especially when introduced outside their native habitats. It is important to manage its growth and prevent it from outcompeting native plants in areas where it may spread aggressively. Vetch is a versatile and valuable plant with many uses in agriculture, gardening, and traditional medicine. Its role in improving soil fertility, providing forage for livestock, and supporting pollinators makes it an important part of sustainable farming practices and natural ecosystems.